Hello, I'm Ski4566. Well, today I decided for lunch to go to this restaurant. This is the second time that I'd have been. My son told me about it. And I used to look over there all the time, and since I'd have been in my new place for a year, And I never went to the restaurant. I didn't know anything. But it's a place called Burgers, Pies, and Fries. That's what it's called. Burger, pies, and fries. So I just got me a burger. These are some big burgers. And this is a homemade burger. That's what my homemade burger look like. All that lettuce, I should have told them no lettuce. I also got this burger is a 10 out of 10. I want to show you, I got a strawberry cheesecake fry. And these are the fries. I just got a little bit of my son, but it's seasoned. So that them fries, and this burger is a 10 out of 10. They told me these pies was good. This is the strawberry cheesecake, and it's soft, and it's fried, but it's soft. This is what the pie look like. It's a big old pie, y'all. It's a big pie. It's big. And it's the cheesecake. Strawberry cheese pie. Baby. 10 out of 10. But I will be getting me. They got different flavors of pies. They got apple pie. They got strawberry cheesecake. You can get straight strawberry. They got blueberry, lemon, chocolate. I think cinnamon something. But y'all, I rate this place. This is in the state of Arkansas. I'm just gonna put it like that. And this is what it's called. It's the Burgers, Pies, and Fries. So if you ever step here in Arkansas, in Little Rock, Arkansas, Cabot, Arkansas, Jacksonville, Arkansas, give this restaurant a try. They are good. It's a 10 out of 10 on the burger, the seasoned fry, and the cheesecake. The strawberry cheesecake pie is fried and it's soft and it's so good and moist. 10 out of 10. So if you in the state of Arkansas, near Little Rock, Arkansas, Cabot, Arkansas, Jacksonville, Arkansas, Benton, Arkansas, this is your place. Burgers, pies, and fries. 10 out of 10. Yes. Y'all have a good day. God bless.